everyone, welcome back to our channel TNV Academy. If you are new here, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest security compliance insights. Today we are discussing a critical topic for private security companies: threat identification and mitigation under ISO 18788. In this video, we'll cover what threat identification means in ISO 18788, the key steps to identifying security threats, effective mitigation strategies to minimize risk. Let's dive right in. What is threat identification in ISO 18788? Threat identification is the first step in effective risk management under ISO 18788. It involves systematically recognizing and analyzing potential security threats that could impact security operations, clients' assets and personnel, business continuity, legal and regulatory compliance. Threats can be internal or external, intentional or accidental. Identifying them early is crucial for preventing incidents and maintaining a secure environment. Now let's look at the different types of security threats private security companies face. Types of security threats under ISO 18788. ISO 18788 emphasizes identifying all potential security threats that could affect operations. These threats can be categorized into physical threats, theft, burglary, vandalism, terrorist attacks, bomb threats, workplace violence or assaults, cybersecurity threats, hacking, phishing, data breaches, unauthorized access to sensitive information, ransomware and malware attacks, operational threats, internal fraud or employee misconduct, supply chain disruptions, lack of proper security training, environmental and political threats, natural disasters like earthquakes, floods, fires, civil unrest, riots, or protests, government regulations and policy changes. Each type of threat requires a tailored approach to ensure effective mitigation. Now that we understand the threats, let's explore how to identify and assess them. To effectively identify security threats, follow these structured steps under ISO 18788. Step 1. Conduct a threat assessment. Gather intelligence from past security incidents, reports, and industry trends. Engage with security personnel, employees, and stakeholders to understand potential risks. Monitor internal and external environments for emerging threats. Step 2. Analyze vulnerabilities. Identify weak points in physical security, IT systems, and operational processes. Assess whether security protocols and access controls are sufficient. Look for gaps in training, procedures, or technology that could expose the organization to risk. Step 3. Assess threat, likelihood, and impact. Use a risk matrix to categorize threats as low, medium, or high risk based on likelihood of occurrence, potential impact on business operations, financial and reputational consequences. Step 4. Prioritize threats for action. Rank threats based on urgency and level of risk. Focus on mitigating high impact and high likelihood threats first. Once threats are identified, the next step is to develop a mitigation strategy to reduce their impact. Threat mitigation strategies under ISO 18788. ISO 18788 provides a structured approach for mitigating threats through effective security controls and risk management practices. Here are key strategies to mitigate different types of security threats. Physical threat mitigation. Install CCTV cameras, access controls, and perimeter security. Deploy trained security personnel at high-risk locations. Implement emergency response plans for threats like intrusions or violence. Cybersecurity threat mitigation. Enforce strong password policies and multi-factor authentication. Regularly update firewalls, antivirus, and security software. conduct employee cybersecurity awareness training. Operational threat mitigation. Establish clear policies on employee conduct and security protocols. Strengthen supply chain risk management to avoid disruptions. Ensure regular training and drills for crisis management. Environment and political threat mitigation. Develop disaster recovery and business continuity plans. Monitor geopolitical risk and update security strategies accordingly. Maintain compliance with local and international regulations. Mitigation measures should be regularly reviewed and updated to adapt to evolving threats and security challenges. And that's a wrap on threat identification and mitigation under ISO 18000-718. To summarize, threat identification is essential for security risk management. Security threats include physical, cyber, operational, and environmental risk. ISO 18000-788 provides a framework for assessing and mitigating threats effectively. Continuous monitoring and improvement keep security operations efficient and up to date. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your team, and subscribe for more insights on security compliance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.